Just no screws in it, just fell off. It's got to be one of the most annoying kitchen sink taps to fit. A siphon that's not flushing at all. I had a feeling that might be a bit of a pain in the arse job. Right then, just pulled up outside this woman's house. She rang me the other day with a few issues. She's got a problem with the kitchen tap. She's supplying a new tap to go in. Problem with the cloakroom taps. I think the hot or the cold doesn't turn on or off. And a non-flushing toilet. Seem to get loads of non-flushing siphon issues at the minute. She sent me a picture of the siphon, and it's in a concealed cistern. And it's all boxed in, so I think that's going to be a bit of a pain in the arse, but we'll go and have a look and see what's what. Also, before I forget, I just want to thank all the subscribers and the people that have liked these videos and whatnot on the channel, and the comments are really good. You know, people like just the normality of what I'm doing, so yeah, thanks for that, guys. So keep subscribing and keep liking, and I've got plenty more to go. I'm just in the middle of a bathroom refurb that I'm videoing the whole progression of, with the tilers and the chippies and everyone who's going in to do that. So that'll be a good video. That's to come in a week's time or so. So keep watching for that. But I'm just on my way now to this little job. So I think we've got a bit of a dripping tap going on here. Customer supplied this tap to go in, so we'll get this isolated and up there, hopefully get it swapped out. So this is the tap they've supplied. It's basically got one of these pull out heads on it, so you have to put a weight on the bottom of here so it drags it back in, if that makes sense. But it connects on here, and you just have to be really careful, make sure you get the washers put in, and then connect the other two feeds on there, and then become a contortionist and get it up there. It's got to be one of the most annoying kitchen sink taps to fit. You know, when they've got to pull out a bloody bit, you've got to get it all through that nut, because there's no room up there to connect it afterwards. Just a pain in the arse. Finally in. Not the greatest tap in the world, but client supplied it, so I'll just fit that. Right, same property, tap change. Again, hot and cold are the wrong way around, but it is what it is. So we'll just whip the water off and get these changed. we've got here is a siphon that's not flushing at all, but because it's all behind here, we've got to get top off, back off, just to be able to get to that. Concealed cisterns are alright, but when it comes to doing any work on them, it's just a nightmare. So you've got to take the handle off because it goes all the way through. Take the handle off to unbolt that, take that front panel off. Right, so we've got the front panel off and we need to be able to get to replacing the siphon somehow. Yeah, just no screws in it, just fell off. So we'll try and undo the siphon from in position and take it out and replace it. So yeah, I'd definitely say that's not working. So managed to get that siphon in without taking this front panel off by going all down like that. So we'll fill it up, give it a flush and see what's what. So we'll refit this now. So refitted the front panel on. Refit this, just test it again, get the handle in, connect that back up. World's longest handle. And always put the washer back on that side. And the retaining pin, like so. And get it in. There we go. Just takes up the movement in the handle. There we go, all sorted. Job done. Right, that's that one all done and dusted. I had a feeling that might be a bit of a pain in the arse job, but you can't have all good jobs all the time. Little jobs like that, you just got to remember when you're doing them and things aren't quite going to plan. Just remember that those jobs, when everything did go to plan and you was in and out and everything went fine, you know, they were good. Whereas this one was a bit of a pain, but we got it done in the end. Customer's happy, that's the main thing.